tell Mama of recently put out the notification to those people that subscribe.
Yeah, it's working.
Okay, that's good.
Okay. We got it done. Just running testing. I'm sorry if you get this thing anywhere in the world. We're trying to get our system working again. So we thank God everything is good. So this is YouTube. This is YouTube. So let's look and find out.
How do we cut down the lag? See, we are cutting down the lag between when the spoken word is done here and when you get it in your phone.
This is not working out. I don't know why it's picking up. This is mine.
Right. You go to the mic, it's going to pick up.
The mic on the on.
Yeah, mic will be on.
But when I do that thing, I move here.
Yes. This is the color watch. Yeah.
So the name is, I think, Mama Boy is a little bit tough. So, very focused.